Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. I will leave everything that I'm using down in the description box, but a quick rundown: I'm using the cookie jar flavoring oils from Get Suckered, and I think the one that I chose for this Nude gloss is Sugar Cookie. So yes, this is one of my fall lip glosses that I'll be coming out with. All my glosses will soon be available to purchase, so make sure you guys follow us on Instagram so that you know when everything is in stock. I'm changing my domain name, that's why I haven't been posting it in the description, but that domain is still available for you guys to shop. But I always use a nude syringe, which I'm showing here. And if you haven't seen my how to make a nude chocolate gloss video, I'll leave that down in the description as well. But I am using the same technique, which is adding my pigment into the oil first and mixing it before pouring it into the Vertigel. I want a sheer nude gloss, so that's why I didn't add the drops into the Vertigel. If you want a more pigmented color, you add the drops directly into the Vertigel. So that's why I didn't do that here. But this is a white to clear nude gloss. It shows up like, you know, a nudie white color, but it's not white to where it looks like you've been eating chalk. But it's a really nice nude color, and it pairs well with a brown lip liner. I do have some swatches at the end. They're not my best, but I did include them as well. But I'm just mixing it up, and I did go ahead and add more Vertigel to the base, because when using pigments, your base automatically becomes real creamy. But in this case, it was real liquidy, and I didn't want that, so I added more Vertigel. But yeah, you guys, leave me your favorite white emoji down in the comment section, as well as leave me any suggestions on videos that you guys would like to see next. Also, thank you all for 425 subscribers. That's how many subscribers I had today when I uploaded this video. And thank you all for your support. I'm on a road to 1,000 subbies, so hopefully I get there about time January comes, which is my birthday month. So be sure to subscribe to this video, like this video, and leave me comments and suggestions of what you guys would like to see next. And I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. I did struggle creating this video, and it was really quick, so I hope that doesn't bother you guys. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy this video. Bye guys.